or get that distance, measure across, make a pad. So I get the correct distance. Where is my tape? There. Right, so that's 500. There's 500 there. Pop down a bit of glue. Right, so I'm going from that point to that point, which is there. Right, cool. Pop a tile on. There, like that. Make another mark. Which is there. See that? That's 10 mil. So it's falling 10 mil from that line to that line, which is 500 mil. So it's falling 10 mil in 500. Check that. Right. I've got to now transfer that over to here. Put a tile on and I bring that down, square it across. See how my mud's drying already? Sand and cement, that it doesn't take long to go off or to harden up like concrete. Now my little beavers. That side to that side are exactly the same. Hot chili. Nice. Okay. That's the pad that we go off. That's our level pad right around. I'll make another pad here. That's the center of my shower. Right, it's the bottom one. Level up my pad, that looks pretty level. Hang on, I'll just check that. That's it. Perfect. Perfect. You watch when I put a level across. See that? You can't beat a laser level. It's perfect. It's more accurate than my level because that shows probably a pencil line out, a fine pencil line. Well, going with a bubble between two lines, a laser level is more accurate. It could be slightly on a bit of an angle. And because I probably took a little bit off, that's just slightly low. But I would trust the laser level above my level, even though they're fairly new. But they travel in the back of your van, they're not in a case, and they don't get treated like a laser level. They're treated a little bit rougher. Okay, so this here, now at the back here, I fill that. I make sure I'm flush and tilt it slightly, and then waterproof it. The water will run off and I can build it to the exact height with glue. But I don't really want to bring it up to the same height as that. With my tile, it's going to be my starting point.